From CQC registration to doors open. Have you ever wondered how long it takes to get CQC registered and to get your first service user? So many people think that it takes years upon years upon years. But with Petra Foster and the Prosperity Housing Group franchise team, it doesn't. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3 examples of some of our franchisees who have opened. And I'm going to look at my phone just to make sure I have the exact dates. So, franchisee number 1. She joined Prosperity Housing Group franchise on the 21st of June, 2024. She submitted her CQC application on the 14th of October, 2024, had her CQC interview on the 29th of April, 2025, and by May 2025, she was officially CQC registered. So as I'm recording this video, we are now the end of August 2025. And I want to make sure that I'm giving you realistic timeframes of how long it can actually take. Now, back in 2024, CQC did have a backlog, so there was a lot of applications that were delayed. Okay. Franchisee number 2. She joined Prosperity Housing Group franchise in March 2025. She already hired her registered manager. By April, submitted her CQC application. By July, she heard back from her CQC application. And then on August the 13th, she passed her CQC interview. Now, it doesn't stop there. Now listen to this. Tune in. Another one of our franchisees became CQC registered in December 2024, got accepted by the council by March 2025, had costings agreed for 2 service users on the same day. Fast forward, she now has 3 service users, hired a registered manager in August 2025, and is already preparing for her second property. Look, it doesn't take long. I've been saying it for a long time. You can open your CQC registered supported living service within 8 months. This is what's possible when you partner with us. This is what's possible when you decide to stop the procrastination. This is possible. Now, at Prosperity Housing Group, we don't just give you a business in a box. No, we don't just give you a template. No, we don't just give you a plan. No, we hold your hand all the way through the process to when it comes to getting CQC registered, when it comes to tendering for contracts, when it comes to negotiating the costings with the commissioners. We do it with you because we are so passionate about supporting people that are treated with respect, that have a home, that live their lives with dignity. And this is the reason why we do what we do. Now is the time to give someone hope. Hope of a better future, hope of stability, and hope of somewhere where they can call home. If this is reaching your heart and you know that you want a business that is heart-centered, I want you to book a consultation with me. And all you need to do is go to www.phgfranchise.co.uk and come and say hi to me on Instagram. Watch my Instagram stories because that's where I share behind the scenes at Petra Foster _ that's on Instagram. And I'm excited for you to be our next success story. Take care. Bye.